pain in the ass this is gonna be. We're starting with this. This is my old PC. As you can see, there's a GTX 1060, stock cooler, ugly sticker, lame case, boo, boo. This is what it's gonna look like at the end. Super cool case, all right? But first, we gotta install these components, which is the RTX 4060, 8GB. Lots of people argue that you should go with the 3060 12GB because it's more VRAM and it's better for the future. Look at the benchmarks because the 4060 outperforms even with just 8GB of VRAM. Then we have the Kraken. It's got 3 big stickers, so you actually don't know what this is, but we're just gonna trust that it's the 360mm Kraken RGB white. I'm gonna begin by taking everything out of my computer. I'm not gonna show that because it's gonna be bad and it's gonna take a long time and I'm probably gonna break something. And if you want detailed instructions on how to do that, don't watch my channel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. The aftermath of the box, oh my god, is not great. I just tore it up. Oh shit. Just tore it apart. The case is just fine. Oh my god. I'm sweating. I'm taking this jacket off. Now I have to install everything. Oh my god, I just tripped. Case is out, jacket's off. This is business. Absolute business. Oh wow. Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You can fit 2 140mm fans down there. I don't know. I bet you can fit at least 3 120s, maybe 3 140s. I'm not that smart. But something super cool was this case came included with 3 RGB fans. Yippee! On this little side here. The case here, the cooler, yes sir, yes sir. Wow. It's nice to look at it without 5 shipping stickers on it. Actually know what you got. So this is the NZXT Kraken 360 RGB. No, it's not the 24 edition. No, it's not the Elite edition. Okay, whatever. It's still cool. Yeah, it's like the same thing, basically. Anyways, 360mm, so it's gonna go right on top up here. It can be absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. And it comes with an RGB fan controller, so we can connect all the fans to one thing. It makes it easier to change all the lighting. Very handy, very useful. That's it for this. Now the fun part, the graphics card. This is what makes Roblox look pretty, you know? My motherboard was sitting on top of the box because I don't want like the back of my motherboard to get damaged. There we go. Graphics card, RTX 4060. It's gonna look beautiful on that motherboard right there, and it's white. White. Okay, this is gonna be fire. I'm probably gonna install it, check back, talk to y'all because I don't know how to install stuff, so it's a learning process. But yeah, TTYL. Okay guys, it's been like 30 minutes and we have the hard drive and this SSD installed. It's going super great. Guys, I'm here, took a shower, I'm in my pajamas. We ran into a problem. My old ASS keyboard does not support ARGB, which is what these fans use, not RGB. There's like ARGB and there's like RGB. My motherboard does not support ARGB, so we have to get this new connector to get things situated, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got so far. Okay guys, everything is plugged in, everything is set up, looks beautiful. This is my desk. You know, we have some black peripherals going on, but throughout the year we're gonna upgrade, make it all white, make it all nice. Yeah, now it is time to test it. Do you think it's going to come on first try? Let me know because I certainly don't think it will. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. I don't think my power supply is on. The power supply was not on. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Okay, no. Please display on my computer. Okay. The RAM's not lighting up. The GPU is spinning. gonna Google it and we'll be back. Okay, I just plugged in an HDMI cable to the motherboard to see if it's like a GPU issue or something. So let's try that out. Still lighting up, good sign. It's still black, not a GPU issue, so there's probably something going on with the motherboard. Oh my god, it is a GPU issue. Shoddy just turned on. Okay, we gotta figure that out. Guys, I didn't get it on camera, I didn't mean to, but I plugged it in, I fixed it. I don't know what I did. I just fiddled and pushed the cables in and it turned on and it said it's doing a repair. I don't know if that's good or bad. I mean, I assume good because it's fixing, but bad because like what now it's diagnosing it. Okay, I'm gonna do a very nice close-up of me peeling the plastic off this PC. It's gonna look beautiful, so hold on. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, I just hit a fan. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Let's restart. Anyways. Whoa. Oh my god, there's dots. There's dots on my screen. Okay, back to the plastic pool. Okay guys, we got the window screen. I'm gonna peel this other piece of plastic off. Oh my god, there's another one on the inside too. Okay, we'll get that later. This computer looks so good. The glass is so clean. The next upgrade I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade the power supply cables and get like either white extension cables or get a new power supply that's fully modular and get white cables. The screen's black now. Hey. Okay, I gotta connect to Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna update my drivers, and we're gonna run some tests.